Alright, show you today is how to make a necklace out of using pop boxes or cereal boxes. And in this necklace here I made a few beads using a Mountain Dew box. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've taken my A&W box and I have taken off this side right here. And it's just right this. I've turned it off and I've actually cut along this side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the second side. And I'm going to start and I'm going to be making long thin triangles out of these boxes. And they look just like this. It's a long thin triangle. And what I will do next is take my Aleene's Tacky Glue. You can use either Aleene's Tacky Glue, or if you're not able to pick up that many containers of this, then you can use regular school glue. You just have to hold it a little longer at the end. And you want a thin strip that runs from the top to the bottom. You do not want too much glue, otherwise it's going to be hard to hold on to and it's going to take forever to dry. And what you need to do, you need to start at the biggest end of your triangle, and you're going to just take your fingernails and kind of crease the end of it. And you just kind of want to break down the rigidity, I guess, of the cardboard, and so you'll get a little circle like that. And what you will do is you're going to take and kind of crush it at the beginning with your fingers. I promise it gets easier as you go. You're going to make the circle, and you're going to sit here and spin these just like this. And what you're doing is, with this finger, you're smoothing the glue out this side, and then you're spinning the other one. And I forgot to mention that the part that you put your glue on is the shiny part, so it's going to end up with the color side out. A lot of students don't get this. When they first start, they're like, why are we putting glue on the front of our boxes? Because then they think it's going to look nasty. Alright, anyway, you get quite messy when you're doing this. But you keep spinning until you get all the way to the end, and if you notice, my hand has got glue up the side of it. It's going to happen. Eventually you'll just kind of scrape some of that off and use it on the next bead. But at the end, you're going to have a little tip there. You're going to kind of hold it in a little bit. Make sure it sticks. And you have yourself one bead. Whoops, didn't stay on there. I like to set them on the table with that little point underneath, and they'll stay, I promise. And then you just repeat, and you have a little hole there. And I, for this, used wire, like telephone wire, to string them up. You can use anything, really. But, yep, the kids think they're pretty cool, and they're really easy to make and fun.